This is, what time? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I wake up next door and I hear this sound. Yeah, what's going on? Help. What a way to wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
My second thought is, the first time I thought it was my camera, and then I thought maybe Dan left his alarm on.
I think we should turn that fan off.
Yeah, turn it off. I don't think, it's not smoky in here at all. Jeff was making bacon and eggs. There's the bacon. Eggs. Anyway, I can't take his sound anymore. Well, Matthew's into it. So what's going on here? Pleasant music.
I don't know. I woke up to this sound. It's pretty terrible. It's actually really interesting. I'm probably going to end up going to school.
Oh.
And
Die, sound, die.
thank God. So I'm going to go to school, wake up, and be like, oh my God, there was just a fire in my house. I don't know. I'll just like tell some ridiculous story. Maybe get out all my homework for tomorrow night.
Yeah, right.
But yeah.
Wait, we don't have any power now.
Oh, we can't turn it back on.
If we do, then
Oh my God.
oh God, get ready, get ready.
This is bad.
Once you see the light spark, you know there's gonna be a loud noise. Do you want to sit outside?
Yeah, well, it still sounds loud out there if it goes back on. Hopefully it won't go back on.
Sorry.
Okay, you gotta get ready for school.
I don't have to shower down.
You don't need to shower. You showered last night. You're fine.
Where's our phone?
You're wide awake.
Our phone, Dawn. Our cell phone. Need a cell phone. This won't work.
My cell phone? Do you have a cell phone? My cell phone's next door.
It's fine. You got that.
And a candle or something so I can see.
How about, yoo-hoo, it turned off. You turned it back on, it all went back on, and then for 5 seconds, and now.
You know, I made some
That's
bacon.
Ugh, that was terrible.
My pan, and
These
I put
guys
the
had to
sink,
wake
turned
up
the
to
water
that.
on, and, poof, went, everything up in the air. So, I just took a magazine and I found the closest one I could find. Little did I know you got about 5 or 6 of them all around here. Yeah.
Talking to them in Italy. All right, so we're back to normal now. Thank goodness.
So
That's
what's your
horrible.
schedule today? Practice?
Breakfast time.
Home by 5:30?
Eggs and turkey bacon. How's the turkey bacon? What?
Good, but why do I have 2 knives?
You have a game?
I don't know. That's very strange. I have no clue. Maybe he gave the 2 knives. Oh, I think because Dan doesn't have a knife. Dan didn't care for that turkey bacon. Just making lunches.